Today we are going to make a cuticle balm, and we are going to only be using 4 ingredients. We're going to be using some beeswax pastilles, some essential oil, that is optional, some coconut oil, and our kokum butter. So what we're going to do is we are going to combine all of these in a double boiler system. It's so easy to do. You can just do it on your own stove, and we're going to melt these all together, minus the essential oils. We're going to add those last. So you can see I have all the ingredients in here. I made a double boiler system. I have about 1 to 2 inches of water. I combined all the ingredients. I'm going to place this in here and let it melt for about 30 minutes, give or take a few minutes. One thing to note about beeswax, even when it is melted, you never want to stir with a metal spoon. You always want it to be a wooden spoon or a silicone spatula. That way it will not stick to the spoon. Now this is fully melted. I'm going to put about 20 drops of lemon oil. I like it really scented, but you don't have to put that much. Here I have all these little empty containers. This cuticle balm can double as a lip balm. While it is still hot and melted, I'm going to pour this in here and then immediately put it in the fridge to kind of shock it, and then there's less chance of it being kind of grainy, which greens aren't bad, but just so it's a little bit more smooth, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour them all individually and then into the fridge. So I poured them all into here, and into the fridge they go until they harden up.